Hi friends, welcome back to Channa Tech Point. In this video, we are going to convert the JSON string into Java object using JackSon library. Let's see how to do that. In pom.xml, you need to add JackSon dependency, that is JackSon data bind. So we are going to use this library to convert JackSon string into Java object. Now let's see the JSON that we want to convert into Java object. This is my JSON that we want to convert. There are three attributes. Basically the key value pairs. Here I created one POJO class. In this class we need to add three fields. These are the three fields. One is employee ID, employee name, company name. Here I am setting the setters and getters. Select all, generate. Now I am adding the parameterized constructor. And I add default constructor. Finally I am adding toString method. Yeah, POJO class is ready. I created one main class, JackSon to Java. This is my main class. Copy the JSON string. This is my JSON. Here I am creating one string variable JSON str. Will put inside a string. Now the JSON library provided one class, that is ObjectMapper. Mapper ObjectMapper equal to ObjectMapper. We are creating an object of the ObjectMapper. Now using this ObjectMapper, we are converting the JSON string into Java object. For that we are using read value method. ObjectMapper dot read value method. First parameter is JSON string. Our JSON string is JSON str. Second parameter is the class which we want to convert, in our case employee.class. This is our second parameter. Here we need to handle the exception. For that I am adding try catch block. This is my try catch block. I will store this data into employee object. Employee equal to, I will store this data in employee object. Now I am printing the values. Sysout. My first value is ID. I need to print the ID. Employee object dot get employee ID. After that I am adding some space. Next element is employee name. Employee object get employee name. After that I am giving some space. Last element is company name. employee object dot get company name. Now three values added: get employee ID, get employee name, get company name. Let's save it and run the Java program. Now we are getting the Java object. Input we are passing the JSON object. In output we are converting the JSON into Java object. Finally we will print the Java object. This way we can convert the JSON object into Java object. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.